Alright guys, we are in the blind and we just got dropped off. Right now we're waiting for the feeders to go off. We got the gun here and we're all set. And as we rolled in, there were two hogs, real big ones, right there behind that feeder in the woods. And we just heard them squealing quite a bit. So we're going to wait here for the feeder to go off. Yeah! You nailed him. You got it, man. Bacon down. Way to go.
Its tail is still there.
It's okay.
Moving.
It's just the nerves.
That scared me.
Yeah.
That went.
That's a
Dude, the adrenaline is like pumping.
yeah. That's a great
Nice.
that's a great stop that he gave you right there
He
too.
did. He just stopped right there.
Broadside.
Still moving around
It's alright.
a little bit.
Where were you aiming? Right by the ear, you said?
Yeah, headshot.
I think that's gonna be under 100.
I hope so.
That one was pretty big.
I didn't.
I'm going through, trying to find our shot. See where we got it.
Oh, it's a sow, I think.
Ooh.
Yep, it's a south for sure.
Nice. Good size, too.
Yeah, this is gonna be under 100.
Oh, yeah.
Good.
It's perfect. It's not too little like that
Yeah.
other one. This should be good eating here.
I wonder where we shot it.
Right there.
Right behind the ear.
Right behind the ear. Perfect spot.
Right where I was aiming.
Didn't cut. Shot.
I think we did good on this. My guess, if I had a guess, I think this is probably around 70, 80 pounds.
It's a
Is
good
my
one.
guesstimation.
That's exactly what I was looking for, too.
Yeah.
It's a sow.
Yep.
Think about it.
So, I just took my first hog here at 2B Ranch. And here she is. So, it's a little sow. Probably no more than 80 or 90 pounds. Did a headshot right here, right behind the ear. So, good eating. How we doing, Ethan?
Good.
All right.
It's cold.
How we doing,
but it
Levi?
smells bad,
Did
though.
it.
It's beautiful out here. I'm glad we didn't have to fish her out of the water, too.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one kind of sucks.
All right, man. Thank
Hey, thank you.
Okay, so here he is, cutting the legs.
You know what? I wonder if this is his. Well, how does he even determine? Where's his weight? Let's get him.
Somewhere. So, yeah.
I wonder where he got it.
Got the pig and they're pulling the skin off. Where's he better? He can come up here.
Where's his weight? What is he doing in the weight?
I think he's just looking at it.
See that?
He's got to have some kind
South.
of weight here to.
See his blood right there. It's skin being held up by its legs. Yeah, pretty gross.